has the longest land border in the world?
Afghanistan.
Wrong answer. Which two countries has the longest land border in the world? It's USA and Canada. Next, the pathway around the nucleus on which electrons rotate are known as
Orbit or shell.
correct answer. Which is the secondary storage device in a computer system?
Hard disk.
Correct answer. बेटा तालियां बजा दिया करें जब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन when the first floppy disk was developed by IBM? When the first floppy disk was developed by IBM?
1972.
Correct answer. What is the currency of China?
Yuan.
Yuan. Correct answer. Can you tell me the full form of ATM? ATM, yes.
Automated teller machine. Automated teller machine.
Correct answer. What is the opposite of the word conceive? What is the opposite of the word conceive?
Exhibit.
Exhibit. Correct answer. सूरह मरियम का आगाज कितने हुरूफ़े मुक़त्तआत से होता है?
5 काफ है या आइन स्वाद.
सही जवाब 5.
What is the normal heartbeat of human being?
72 to 75 per minute.
Correct answer. Which is the highest military award of Pakistan? How many years did the Mughal dynasty rule over subcontinent? How many years did the Mughal dynasty rule over subcontinent?
331.
Manchester of Pakistan.
Faisalabad.
Correct answer. रसूल पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम को अमीन के नाम से किस सूरत में मुखातिब किया गया है?
सूरह बकरा.
करेक्ट आंसर. कुरान में वाक़या मेराज का जिक्र इन दो सूरतों में है?
सूरह बनी इसराइल, सूरह नजम.
करेक्ट आंसर. कुरान में हुजूर अकरम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का नाम अहमद किस पारे में है?
28 में.
करेक्ट आंसर. What is the spelling of the word adventurous? What is the spelling of the word adventurous? Adventurous.
ADVENTURES.
Correct answer. Can you tell me the spelling of recruitment?
RECRUITMENT.
Correct answer. Which neighboring country has the longest border with Pakistan?
Afghanistan.
Correct answer. Who discovered electron? Who discovered electron? Electron.
Ibn al-Haytham.
Who discovered? Correct answer. J.J. Thomson. A person who writes his own life history is known as?
Autobiography.
Correct answer. Who was the first governor of the State Bank of Pakistan?
Zahir Hussain.
Correct answer. What is the total distance of Pakistan-China borderline?
595 kilometers.
Correct answer.